Today we're gonna make air fryer beef jerky dog treats. This is gonna be one of the easiest recipes you ever see here. In fact, we have everything we need right here along with our COSORI TurboBlaze air fryer. It doesn't have to stop there. You can actually make this for yourself and you can have a high protein beef jerky snack. With that said, let's get started. If you like videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe for future content. First step, we're gonna cut our beef into 1/4 inch thick slices. Fun fact, most people's fingers, 2 fingers together is about 1 inch, 1 finger, 1/2 inch, so half of 1 finger if you're eyeballing it, 1/4 inch. You're looking for something kind of like this. If you're gonna make your own flavored beef jerky, this is the time where you would dip it into your marinade, but we're not doing that today. We're keeping it super simple. This could be a nice treat for your dog or an awesome high protein snack for yourself. Make sure as you do this process, you keep the beef slices relatively all the same across, so that way when you actually put it into your air fryer, it cooks a lot more evenly. So as I'm cutting through my beef, I'm curling my fingers here to protect it. That way I don't have any accidents or slip-ups there. And it also makes as a great unit of measurement to kind of make sure I keep my slices even. Note on the beef, we're using a beef eye of round. You can also use flank or any other beef that's a leaner cut. If you have fats in here, when we go to our air fryer and do the dehydration process, it may come out weird. So make sure, lean meats, that's the trick to this. Into our air fryer, making sure our crisper plate is inside, we're gonna space each piece out evenly. Try not to overcrowd it. I love making these because honestly, having beef jerky as a snack, it's just a healthy option that's just always ready to go. And if you ever buy beef jerky for the good kind, like 15 to 20 bucks for a bag at your local grocery, but here you can do this over and over and you can actually control your flavors too if you choose to marinate and do that option. So from here, we're putting it back into our air fryer. This is so cool here. I've never seen any other air fryer with a dry or proof function. If you haven't seen the other recipe, we use the proof one. Today, we're using the dry. Dry, and then we're changing the temperature to 165. And then we're gonna let it run for 6 hours. All right, it's been 6 hours. Let's check on our jerky. That's perfect. Look at literally the same quality as the store. May is National Pet Month, so if you wanna make sure your dog feels loved, give this a try. And if you're gonna make this for yourself, you're actually gonna wanna use the dry setting for 1 to 2 hours less. That way the jerky is not as dry and it's a little bit more chewy and tender. But this is perfect for your dog. Comment down below and let me know what breed of dog you have. Or cat, we don't judge. Hope you pet parents try this recipe and I'll see you guys for a human recipe in the next one.